Capital on Tap is a digital lender that aims to help small businesses. If you're in the market for a new credit card for your business, this review will take you through Capital on Tap's essential features and card options, answer any of your safety concerns, and give you our verdict on whether we think it's worth it. Capital on Tap is not a bank. It's what's known as a digital lender that offers credit cards and loans of up to £100,000 to businesses across the UK. To be eligible for a Capital on Tap credit card, you need to meet the following 4 criteria. 1. You are an active director of your company. 2. You and your business are based in the UK. 3. Your business has a turnover of at least £24,000 per annum. And 4. You have no outstanding county court judgments against you or your business in the last year. Capital on Tap has 2 card options to choose from. Its business credit card and its business rewards credit card. The business credit card is completely free to sign up for and manage. The key features include a credit facility of up to £100,000, up to 56 days interest-free on card purchases, fee-free FX and UK ATM transactions, and up to 10 supplementary cards for no extra cost. The Business Rewards credit card offers all of the above plus up to 20 free supplementary cards and the ability to earn 1 point for every £1 you spend on the card, which can then be redeemed for cashback or Avios points. First-time Capital on Tap Business Rewards credit card customers can also take advantage of an introductory offer of up to £100 cashback or 10,000 Avios points when you spend £5,000 in the first 3 months. Unfortunately, these extra features don't come for free, as the Business Rewards credit card does cost £99 a year. No. Applying for a Capital on Tap credit card will not affect your credit score, and applicants with lower credit scores may also be eligible. Apply online to get your card, and the great thing about Capital on Tap is that they promise to let you know if you've been accepted within minutes. While it's not a bank, Capital on Tap holds a regular licence that's restricted to business lending and is authorised by the Financial Conduct Authority. As with any financial decision, make sure you can afford the repayments to avoid putting your business at risk. If you need an injection of funds for your business, Capital on Tap is a great option with no fees on foreign transactions or ATM withdrawals and plenty of extra cards. For £99 a year, the Business Rewards credit card opens the door to additional treats. And when it comes to the standard business credit card, as long as you pay off your balance in full each month, the card is entirely free, which is a pretty cost-effective way to improve your business's cash flow. To read our full review and compare your business credit card options, head to finder.com. You'll find all the necessary links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel or stay tuned for our next video coming up. Thanks for watching.